A very warm good morning to one and all. Today we will read the story Man Learns to Fly of Unit 4 Adventure. Let us start now. In olden times means from a long time ago, it was the heartiest desire. Heartiest means showing warm and friendly feelings, and desire means a strong wish. Here the meaning of heartiest desire means a strong wish of many people to fly. Means from a long time ago, many people wanted to fly. They looked at the birds and kites staying up in the air. Staying means to continue to be somewhere. And wondered. Wondered means to feel or express great surprise why they could not do so. Means people wanted to fly like birds and kites, but they could not do so. They were determined to fly like them. Determined means having firmly decided to do something. At first, they attached wings to their bodies like this. Attached means joined wings to their bodies and jumped off high mountains. Mountain means very high hill. They jumped off high mountains. They believed that. Believe means to feel sure that something is true. They feel sure that they believed that the wings would help them to fly. But these experiments means test or trial, proved to be very dangerous. Prove means to show a particular quality over a period of time, and dangerous means likely to cause injury. They wanted to fly like this by the help of these wings, but it was very dangerous. Many people died and many were seriously injured. Seriously means severely physically hurt. Injured means physically hurt. However, people were not discouraged by these failures. Discouraged means make less confident, and failure means lack of success. In 1783, two brothers, Jacques and Joseph Montgolfier, made a balloon. There were two brothers, Jacques and Joseph Montgolfier, made a balloon. It was made of thin linen and paper. Linen means a type of a strong cloth that is made from a natural substance. They filled it with hot air and released it. Jacques and Joseph Montgolfier made a balloon and they filled hot air inside the balloon and released it. Released means to allow something. It rose to a height of 500 meters. Rose. Here the meaning of rose is move to higher position. This is a past form of rise. When the air inside the balloon cooled down, it slowly came down onto the ground. After some time, the brothers sent up another balloon with a basket hanging underneath it. Underneath means below. After some time, the brothers sent up another balloon with a basket hanging underneath it. The basket had three animals, a hen, a sheep, and a duck inside it. This was a successful experiment. The balloon traveled through the air for a short time and gently came down with the three animals safe inside. Safe means free from danger. In this picture, you can see these two brothers, and there is a balloon. There were three animals inside the basket: sheep, duck, and hen. Now come in next page. This success further encouraged the two brothers, and after a month they themselves went up in the hot air balloon. After succeeding this experiment, these two brothers went up in the hot air balloon. A great crowd gathered to watch this event. Look here children, there were so many people. They were watching this hot balloon. This time the balloon rose to a height of 900 meters and covered a distance of 10 kilometers. This was the first flight of man. That's all for this story, Man Learns to Fly.